Hello, PeriGirls. Hello, Heart Tribe members. Hello. Sorry for the craziness. It is so spring here in California, guys. It is spring. It is bright, and my hair looked better before, but the wind is a-blowing. It is really, really blowing. Hey, Coach Mo. Hey, Tara. Guess what I got? I got a sign. If I can get it to stand still, that's going to be the challenge. This is my son. So this is PeriGirls, and this is the Heart Tribe Past the Cast. And I am Monifa. I'm a voice and performance coach. And we have an amazing group of women in Heart Tribes. I've gotten to know so many great people, and I really enjoyed just getting to know different lifestyles, different ways of people doing things. I'm getting to talk to somebody who is an ASL language. She teaches it, and she obviously does it. And so that is kind of on the other spectrum for me, because I talk about voice, and I talk about communication and performance, and it's a little bit on the other spectrum because I make sounds, hopefully loud sounds. I like to make loud sounds. So this is what's amazing about getting in a group like PeriGirls. You get to find out all kinds of ways of being fabulous, So today I usually do a song on my usual, broadcast. I don't know if I'm going to do it today. We'll see. But yeah, so I have loved being in PeriGirls, and it's just made for an amazing experience in that I've learned a lot, and you get all this amazing support, and you get all these people that you really love to get to know, right? You want me to sing? Y'all want to hear a Greek folk song? It's one of my favorite songs. Put a 1 in the room if you want to hear a Greek folk song. Yeah, seriously? Itanka mariti savis ke cavallaris homorphos toramia hufdaioni. So that's one of my favorite songs to sing. I learned it in Greece on a tour in Athens and Peloponnese, which was so fun. I highly recommend Greece. It's a cheap way to get an amazing European experience. So I highly recommend it. Yay, I'm glad you like it. So yeah, so I teach people how to use their voice in a way that's healthy. People that have been performing for a long time, a lot of times they think they just keep doing things the same way, but they're hurting themselves every time they do it. And so in order to sing for a long time and for the rest of your life, you should be able to use your voice healthfully until you're 80 and 90. And so you should not hurt when you talk or sing. So let me know if you need help with that. Joyfully Me is next. She is awesome. How great is that handle, by the way? Joyfully Me. Like, no matter how cray-cray you are, you get to be all of you, and you can be joyous about it. Woo-hoo! Everybody's voice is crazy. You got to take... Do y'all see my scope from yesterday? Did y'all hear about my roses? Y'all got to hear about my roses. Okay, so these are my roses, right? So this one is gone now, but when it started out, it took 1 day to bloom. This one over here, when I first scoped it, I thought it was dead when it started. It was a little bud, and it was so tiny and shriveled and dark. I was just like, what is wrong with this rose, And it took forever. It just bloomed a few days ago. It took over a week. It took 2 weeks for it to go from bud to bloom. 2 weeks. And I always say that you don't know what you have until it grows. Okay, because when I started out singing, I thought I had this tiny voice that was really weak, and God knows that is not the case. I am a dramatic mezzo, which is one of the largest voice types there is. So never, never, never say never. Never, never, never say never. You got to experience your own awesomeness. Follow Joy. She's next with the froggies. Oh, Joy, see? Green. It's green. Isn't that awesome? found a green market for you, girl. Just for you. So yeah, it's amazing. And PeriGirls, it's a party all the time over here. Party all the time. Party time. Excellent. Now I'm talking about Wayne's World. Y'all know. Y'all know what generation I came from. With you as a singer. Oh, I totally missed what was before that. Sorry, Kelly. I'm gonna have to go back. Oh, okay. She's live. Everybody go over to Joy.